while I was editing this video, I realized I also did not have an intro for this video. So long time no see. It's your girl DeSiree. I'm back with another video. In this video, it's just me making a self-defense keychain because I've been seeing them all over TikTok and I'm so impatient on shipping. I was like, I'm gonna just make my own, and it turned out great. Also, the ones on TikTok don't have enough things on them to defend myself, so I'm not really sure how they're self-defense keychains, but I made one of my own and I think it's so pretty.
Okay, so I'm finna make a
thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
go get you one. I'm finna make a self-defense keychain. I ordered everything off Amazon. So I don't know if y'all did get a piece of that shopping vlog I did last weekend. And I think I lost my knife at the mall, long story short, because I had too much stuff in my hands. Guess what I just witnessed? A car chase. Literally 6 police cars chasing after one car. For what? I don't know why. But we finna make a self-defense keychain real quick, okay? I might just mute this. Yeah, you can have some. It is already open. Open it.
Okay, open it.
It's good. Okay, so I bought everything from Amazon, so I'm just gonna open everything and show y'all real quick. Okay, you got me some scissors, please. I gotta cut all it up. Okay. We got the wristlets, 8-piece for like $4.99.
My package.
I ain't never seen a brown. Hold on, I ain't never seen a brown one like this. Oh, let's say this is a pocket key knife in black, and this is my 2-pack purple. These y'all can see it. I know. This box is pretty. This is my first decorated box from Amazon.
That's my box. Wait, what is it? After me.
Okay, sit down. Another taser because I broke the other one I had. What is this? A knife. This is my knife. A seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. And gel. Pepper spray gel. And this is...
Mom's name.
I'm not sure.
That's what I'm reading.
This is an alarm, a purple alarm. Oh, this is a nail thing. I ordered this because I ordered me some press-on nails, but I want them shorter. And these are some hiking whistles. Oh, yeah. Okay. So. This a bad one. I like that one. It's the color for me. Nah, I'll put it back. Oh, that's the CeeLo cutter in there. Okay. And I'm not sure what a glass breaker is, because this ain't gonna do nothing. So this the glass breaker? I doubt it. We're gonna have to figure that out. Huh? Ain't nobody tased you in the first place. I did not tase you. You go downstairs or upstairs? And we got this little alarm right here. Let me show y'all.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Mama. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
This don't even work.
Let me see.
Get it, girl. This one worked, but that one don't. Y'all took my money and knew it didn't work. This one worked. Nuh-uh, leave it alone. You get that one. Okay, now let's make it. Let's make it. Let's make it. Let's make it. Get that out my face. I was going for an all purple thing. Oh, we got some pepper spray. Oh, this is a big old can. Look at that. Bag up. I make everybody. Okay. This come with a little pouch too.
What you doing with these shoes?
Your teacher want them shoes?
Yeah.
Why? Why you didn't give them to her?
No, they're too big.
Her feet too big?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, her brother herself.
Oh. Okay. Get that. Now let's just make this little thing.
One more.
Okay, let's turn it. Turn it. Ooh.
It's coming up.
It's okay. We're gonna do the black.
Mommy, I'm not cat.
Yes, go get you one. Come on. It was 2 pieces of chicken, love. I think I'm gonna do this one. I was gonna do this. Look, this one looked mostly purple on the side, but I'm not really feeling this one. Or I'll do this one. What y'all think? This one? Right, exactly. Okay. Huh? What you said this?
I love this.
Now it's okay. Huh?
She asked you.
And I was doing something.
I'm gonna open it. She asked. All right, hold on. Keep going. I ain't open it. Bathroom.
Why you doing her like that?
I'm opening it.
Ain't no such.
You first. She asked you first.
So y'all steal from kids. That's all I heard.
She got to learn how to do taxes. In the real world, we pay taxes.
She is not nowhere near close to paying
And
taxes.
then she get used to it. She won't feel bad when she got to start having to pay the taxes.
Okay, whatever.
So she
You
starts
still gonna feel bad.
Nah, yeah, for real, because I ain't lying, bro, because when I was there, I was like, dang, these taxes suck.
What? Who I paying? Fam, who I paying number 8 cents on the dollar? We weren't paying nothing but 8 cents.
It's $1, it's not that much, but like when you get past 100, it must start to add up. I said, God dang.
Fam, you could have just came and got your own candy. She got a bunch. I let her get it.
What's about it?
Okay.
I'm on buck though. Oh, good.
This is gonna have to be in my purse. I wanted everything on my chain, but this can't be on my chain. So I'm gonna put my other mace, my old one on here. But look at that, all that purple. It's
You could just get like some
cute.
type of holder, like a
It come with a holder, but it still don't attach.
no, another one, like some type of holder that's big enough for like a bigger size sanitizer. And it might be able to connect. You know what I'm saying? A round sanitizer holder.
This go on my belt. Tell her to come do my nails.
Tell some candy to me?
Tell her to come do my nails.
Tell some?
We set, y'all. We got our knives. We got 2 knives, alarm, seatbelt cutter, window breaker, skin puncture, pepper spray, gel, and our top recommended taser. Period. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Helping me make my. Demir says bye. She's over here eating snacks. I'm gonna message these people because my stuff was broken. But other than that, this is so cute. Look at it.
Oh, this is my snack.
That's mine. Bye, guys. Peace.
Okay.
I don't even know what I'm talking about. I got another video coming. Just wait on it. I forgot to put these on there, y'all. And I'm gonna put the purple one on there. Let me show y'all how it sounds. Let me see.
Yeah.
Blow it when you're in danger. Yes, you. You in danger? Okay then.
How you know?
Somebody tell you to come here. I give you some candy. You blow it.
Somebody say, come here, I'm gonna give you some candy. What you gonna do? Blow?
Yeah, show us. You gotta blow hard.
Oh,
You gonna be gone, DeSiree. Yeah, you gotta do it like that.
somebody say
Yeah. Okay. Now, you ready? You want some ice cream? No, you just blow your whistle. Look, y'all. I added my whistle on there. I'll give my daughter one too. DeSiree don't need it. She gonna whistle all day. Look at my little purple stuff. Ooh.
Baby, DeSiree gonna be caught.